Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome in the evening with the puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday, February the 25th, 2023. We have here in this puzzle page 6 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the 2 stars Sudoku, the 4 stars Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 2 stars, and the last one is a tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Sugu. Half of these puzzles, I think 4 puzzles I will do today, and tomorrow we have no newspaper, so I will do the samurai Sudoku. And in the additional we have also 4 extra puzzles. All right, a lot of puzzles today, but let me start with the 4 stars Sudoku. This will be number 6021. 6021. Yes, 6021. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 24 printed digits. Yeah, 24 printed digits. It's actually a 4 stars if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars in the additional. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. And it's an indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time for the puzzle. But it's indicated with 4 stars, so I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 2s. We have here 3 3s. 1 4. 3 5s. 2 6s. 1 7. 4 8s. Alright. And 1 9. So the 8s are a majority. Can I start with the 8? That's the question. Well, we have an 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Well, 8, 8, 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 8. I need more information. Insufficient information right now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this row, so no 2 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9, let me mark those. 7 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Wait. Let me see. 6. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row, for numbers the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6, we have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then 7952. Yeah. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the last row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1. 2. We have a pair. The 2 and the 3 in this column. The 2 and the 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Alright, so we have an 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column. No 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the column next, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Then. How about the 1 in this row? The 1 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, okay. 1. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 in this row. Last row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 4 goes there. Then 2, 3, 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this column, so no 2 and a 3 in this box. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there, so 1 digit left in the last row for number 6. Alright, 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. No, not last column. 6 in this column. 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Well. Then. 1, 9, 197, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9. 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, and the 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in this column, so no 7 and a 9 in this box. The 7 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the most. 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 9 goes there. The 9 in this first row, the 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for them is the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and number 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for them is the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9, 7 and the 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. And the 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Well. And now. Well. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this column, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. Alright. Then. Yeah. We have a 4 in the last row. 4 in a row above. So on that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 and a 7. We have a 4 now in the first column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Yeah, the 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the first column 9 and the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One was the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, the 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow. 15 minutes. So is this really a 4 stars? Well, no. 3 stars? Well, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, so let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. Yeah, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.